Audiobook bonus. As a special thank you for listening, I'm offering an Introduction to How to Stop Being Toxic book, Healthy Relationships Toolkit, and Self-Healing Companion Toolbox for free to download in PDF format, exclusive to my audiobook listeners. Inside these bonuses, you'll discover simple yet effective strategies to identify and overcome toxic habits, empowering you to create a healthier and more balanced life. Practical techniques to establish boundaries that protect your well-being and foster stronger, more respectful relationships. Quick and actionable tools to regulate your emotions, helping you stay calm, composed, and in control, even during life's toughest challenges. Personalized insights and proven strategies to improve communication, rebuild trust, and create deeper, more meaningful connections. If you're ready to break free from toxic habits, build stronger relationships, and take control of your emotions with ease, why wait? Download your free bonuses now and start transforming your life today. To download your bonuses, please visit the link emotionalhealingacademy.com/audiobook. That is emotionalhealingacademy.com/audiobook. Introduction. You are what you believe yourself to be. Paulo Coelho. Did you know that 52% of women admit to staying in toxic behavioral cycles because they don't know how to change? Wales, 2023. Can you empathize with this statistic? In the quiet moments, when you pause to reflect on your life, do you ever feel a surge of discomfort about your past actions or words? Have relationships that once flourished now become strained under the weight of unaddressed conflicts and misunderstood intentions? This book acknowledges those feelings, offering a pathway from toxic patterns toward genuine growth and understanding. Recognizing the problem is the hardest step. By opening this book, you've already set the foundation for lasting change. Many adults find themselves stuck in repetitive cycles of negativity, unintentionally hurting those they care about. It's a situation that's both painful and alienating, leaving you wondering how things could have gone differently if only you'd known another way. We understand this frustration, as well as the longing for change and connection, without the fear of falling back into harmful habits. Imagine a life where you no longer have to apologize for the same mistakes, and where your connections with others are based on mutual respect, trust, and understanding. Visualize a version of yourself that communicates effectively, expresses emotions without fear, and confidently sets boundaries without guilt. This transformation may seem distant, yet it is entirely attainable and closer than you think. The journey to shedding toxic behaviors begins with acknowledging their existence. This requires introspection and courage, qualities you already possess. Our goal is to guide you through this process, addressing the root causes of toxic patterns rather than simply addressing their symptoms. As you progress, you'll develop healthier interactions and repair damaged relationships with newfound empathy and insight. This book serves as a practical, step-by-step guide designed to facilitate real change. You'll learn to identify key triggers, those subtle signals that often go unnoticed until it's too late, and how to respond constructively instead of instinctively. These skills will help you in every aspect of life, empowering you to navigate emotional landscapes with ease and poise. Setting healthy boundaries is pivotal to maintaining balanced relationships. Many people struggle with this, fearing rejection or conflict. Here, you'll discover how to assertively state your needs while still honoring the perspectives of others. Healthy boundaries not only protect your emotional well-being, but also improve your everyday interactions, fostering environments where everyone feels valued and respected. Embracing change is rarely straightforward. The path to a fulfilled life involves overcoming numerous challenges and occasional setbacks, which can be disheartening. Yet within these trials lie opportunities for profound growth and renewal. As you explore each chapter, you'll find exercises crafted to reinforce new competencies and attitudes, transforming theoretical knowledge into practice. By choosing to embark on this journey, you're investing in yourself and those around you. The rewards of this commitment are immense. A clearer sense of purpose, revitalized relationships, and an overall improved quality of life. Imagine waking up each day with the knowledge that you're living authentically and positively impacting the world around you. Transformation doesn't happen overnight, nor should it. This book encourages steady and sustainable progress rather than quick fixes, ensuring that positive changes endure over time. Each section builds upon the last, creating a comprehensive foundation for long-lasting personal development. Now is the time to take action. Open yourself up to the possibilities of change and the joys of self-discovery. As you embrace this work, you embark on a journey toward becoming the person you truly want to be. A being of compassion, strength, and integrity. Realize the potential within you to inspire change, not only in your life, but in the lives of those you touch. As a therapist with over 20 years of experience, I've helped countless people break free from these cycles, and I've walked this road myself. This book distills the strategies that work, specializing in helping individuals break free from toxic behaviors and create healthier, more meaningful relationships. I have guided countless people through transformative journeys of self-awareness, healing, and growth, providing them with the tools to master emotional intelligence, overcome narcissistic tendencies, and build lasting change without the need for long hours of therapy. My own personal journey of overcoming my emotional challenges and toxic habits inspired me to dedicate my career to helping others navigate similar struggles. This unique blend of personal experience and professional expertise allows me to connect deeply with those seeking practical, real-life solutions to complex emotional issues. My approach is rooted in empathy and accountability, ensuring that my clients feel supported as they take bold steps toward positive transformation. My advice will empower you to take control of your emotional well-being in relationships, making it easier for you to set boundaries, heal past traumas, and foster emotional resilience. This is all part of my mission to help others create lasting emotional and relational well-being. Are you ready to begin? Turn the page, and together, let's dismantle the walls erected by past behaviors, paving the way for a future filled with hope, and promise. Embrace this opportunity to redefine your narrative, creating a life story aligned with your true values and aspirations. The following chapters will guide you step by step to uncover toxic patterns, transform them, and build the relationships in life you deserve. Let's start your journey today. The next chapter serves as the first step toward liberation, toward a life free from toxicity and rich with meaning and joy.